So we'll start with our fixed cost, then we'll go to variable cost, then markup and profit margin. They do not know that the amount they pay for the actual price of the product is not the total cost of the product. So if you go up here now, you would see the cost of the material. So in this class, we'll be talking about all things customization. Now we're starting with the vinyl sticker. The vinyl sticker comes in different colors, different types, and different design. Design your pictures and maybe your label. We need a laser jet printer. This is different from the previous EcoTank printer for your stick.
That function, your arrow shape will turn into like a plus sign, and then you click and drag out the shape. Now before you go ahead to cut your customization, you need to change a few settings.